Abusuafo me mo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so mesro so be subscribe to my channel found some ya be on so we be notification and some e koso o me mo bia benye bi etie anase we benye bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha midin e de adwoa search Sabato eye blogger e wo Facebook e na okase oye ganini na nisema okay na ne se anyway the journalist for nothing pa ene se wuti audio na wakasa betie ensem a okan we the journalist for nothing na de ntia odi Ghana journalist for atem nyane se o kire se Ghana journalist enye friend to his excellency anado danko ekufado kame akoye se ensem a enimi nko a ena omo eka ede efa his excellency anado danko ekufado no ho eba efa no eyelo no ho ensem a ekoso ewo oman Ghana emu a kire se na no his excellency etu kwan akwako pelon ede abebo oman Ghana ho bra ho private jet akọ highness nsema eye presenter bia na se journalist bi o ye adwuma ewo radio FM eba out ebe ka se his excellency eko high private jet bi edi to kwan a crash it down na onwu. I mean how oman hene na eye obi omo Asempa FM eba out ebe condemn say omo nua journalist na se mo kan no eya bia eye not cry enye ensem fata say obi a we journalist out radio so e kasa na manfuti obe kasa asem no na sa asem ya journalist e kan yi mana empenfo take action obehu yenti memfo no the way e be behave e when e be start say culture of silence no I started e wo memu nenu e na Sabato e chese Ghana journalist mo di nsem hu papa amu ni subai na nadu na mo kaseti ano no na nadu kwagilo na ode ye free SHS 1D 1F NAPCO youth enye adwuma enye no omo ye adwuma ye a NAPCO omo tu omo ka e na fenso no Sabato e chese president Ben Wabaso wa ya kwanya otumu ze kwan ready da so chese cement akom enyema akom inka akom na ekwan no aye kama pa e na fenso president Ben Wabaso wa baba ye interchange eti se pokwasi interchange da pokwasi interchange ne de etwa president bia enti se na na do aye bone kwa na mo ka mo fa enhwe papa ya like mo mana papa no endorse because na do be president ene ma papa wa ye no endorse simbone a wa ye na yentie ensama Sabato e de etudwa
ogun krase aye nyama tu kwan aye solitia sa papa no ane no ma pa wo ye mo mo wo dawuro bet ne nanso na mutimi e de to me no ne nanso kra no enya se okoje bosion aboa nya kufa do tamo a wo journalist aboa ekwan aboa wo kwan a yegu ne se ye fra na asphalt da aboa nya kufa do tamo a enka sa mu pokua se kwan no aboa nka mo wu ne se de motam camera na mo de akosi wo twan senko obe no e selfish leader eno obe no ye obi oye yi de poyani eno wo se sa kwan bi na masa mamu mami nkasemo aboa ye nto na kofo ye Sofola road kofo ye Sofola road na nyafe plan change journalist be na timi kan ho asem e ma ni duru baabi because e mo chimi ntuma no nuru dwom mumu bia chimi ne se mo nko journalist for e som Ghana for e di Ghana nya for my court co defend you woman life in Shile FM I always bless them with your program they are doing. Now what for now? That guys okay trapper to see when we a journalist home. Oh guys okay trapper to see when we a journalist home. Abua no trapper to see ya. Me blame studio me fear. Man go school and say the work school no. Me am jira my be studio. E wo fear me timi wo ha. Me yi time me the time akwa be studio. Me wo machine be asameto. Abua na wo akwetena ho no. Enya Ghana na ho kire wo ene obi to tripod ene captain smart se na ni ate enti won se no ma we cheap enti obetimi ato abedi na na ado atem no so de enya followers na kwase ampanyi ni ye de atua ne ka ene nti wato mo ma me pebe bi ntra na me fire on because me kopia adwuma yo ba de tell me say the way I know me kosoro we cannot leave things alone for things to go wrong after that enya for me kopre who di akufo do atam who kuru ufi enya for ma na ebe bre me ka kire wo minim Ghana na me firi mu no se de sitie kofo ba e mu ye ni bi e ona ma panyi kofo Hey, me man, what is you journalist now? What are you talking about? I'm so quick. I will cast a Muslim because of some uncle school. And you call yourself a journalist. You call yourself so-called blogger. And you want to blog and educate me, I'm saying. Now what can question them? Tell me Mr. about to me follow on. Master, South Radio, South so-called kind of from Muko school, you are not born. You don't know how to serve your country. You don't know how to work and, be a professional. Muko school, you guys are so noisy to the country. So-called journalists, me too, kind of my best, my baby, if you claim one journalists for one. They fight for the country. They fight for the citizens. And you cannot fight for your citizens. And you are not ashamed of yourself. And you come to social media and you just call yourself as a journalist and talk. Yes, I'm say journalist. What's here open confano de trouble. Journalists, so-called Ghanaian journalists. At the end of the day, they come and say, yes, you say. You guys are so ashamed of yourself. Leave the bloggers alone to talk. And I don't fight against any blogger. But I fight against their nonsense talk. They are talking, And I fight against. And I'm fighting. Oh, blogger, now Akufo-Addo may president. What are you telling me? Akufo-Addo may president, no? Masa. Ultimate blogger Magana. Ultimate Ghana some. Because you Ghanaians know that Akufo-Addo is a peaceful man. Akufo-Addo is
the man, Nimi Ibrahim Mama. What's the moment of truth now? Yen in Tuba, no back cancer, no credit in a child mind. Say, oh, I had your Mahama so basuno, or also by ye say. Now, but now you TV, yeah, Papa, that's party. They would did 10 years for you to walk around Chow and see the crowd, my Bajinica. And in your summit, you feel got now you TV, no any dear. And no a ball of goose. No and twaba and enyadia your mama no obi wagana how about twaba dia ma your mama because obi anim your mama and track record obi anim your mama and record e wagana your mama record e wagana hanum na ti Manchester United and we need 3 to aso or we need 2 na so an e draw utwu 10 obema light off we yet den ko confirm be to akobokina. And so now na Dubai Kaneshie interchange Edaso planting for food Edaso 1 district 1 factory Edaso ambulance constituency bia jini ambulance fe umpewe na opeden yasa koto abama jo mahama na den yenim odi aye nhwa topan Bodam for Bodam Crano, son, Yali, and yet then I can crowd the Benu and a muddy abu. And got to Abama John Mahama. And yet your mamma now near this Fukacher and say, wow, shall out to mean Tragana and to call. That's a Yamia Domnas yet to Abama Kufuado Nasi and to men 2 and 3 Ghana had the air. And a John Mahama no and this for Mumba 2 name at Tragana. Yama to Abama John Mahama Samijan Fina Ocean and my Jimmy Mount. Or mine decided to fall more for Nana to do more because a young man and another yano, and yes, small young man and another yano. Nana deserve more than 4 years. Free education, planting for food and jobs. They say, just said national health insurance and quite the more didn't say Liverpool defense. More thing nursing training allowance na do tua teacher training allowance no tua oni obiaka your mama me say common chalk kura obi ko bisa common chalk kura ho ye den organ ha chalk ya de be twira de akire nkola de kura ho ye den organ ha eso na do ba ye school bia yusumaka Makabu sa kwa class bia makabu. Now your mama asembe to Abama. Still 4 more for Nana to do more. Say yet ya say die Nana do nyuma pa na waye no. Ye be bon de ro na ye wie na Nana do ba power. Comedy no ye sande be mamu. 4 more for Nana to do more. Your mama die uko to Abama your mama say obi ono akasa ya president kura na say oman no kan ne ndundum a na ne ho kura yira no still for more for Nana to do more hwe e man e ton ade wa Kwame Nkrumah circle o kan shi kan e shi agbogbo shi o mu nyina asem kan cha Nana say Nana fidi say oba ye abaye ni bia mefo obi anwoma da waja obia mo bia ton na de na no mo siji no na o mo se form o wate na mo mo koto aba ne de aya Nana na da soro honum no number 1 unim sa de papa bia na da first Yesu Kristo number 1 ono na wo soro otu aba number 1 me hwe be bia because nyoma e wase ho nyina ye bola goose number 2 nu kura de nye me say so pe free education a mia 1 so pe dum so a mia 2 so pe corruption a mia 2 so pe one district one factory a mia 1 me say otu abanama Nana crown pona automatically no Nyankopon the 60 years asia kan fia obedi ho deda because so otu abanama Nana a unso ahu ohia ni bia wo pese wo moa no me say wo so pen this ya de bia me ka cho so pen NDC nchi afia so asnega ene afia so asnega etimi asesa aba mande ye koye afia so asnega gina platform so ye campaign ma Nana atum say Nana abo adwuma nti ye mu bi say de form of Nana campaign no say ye kura mu ani Nana number 1 ene mo amu kan ko esa to no so mo so mo koto aba eye parliamentary no eye ma me da ko aya Newman oba kukudro fo oba ho ofefo a oko parliament onu kwa de I am in time campaign man because we are winning in advance o kan ko esa for no eye da ko Newman mo to aba no man da ko Newman boom Kumasi so de medu wono chama untumi jenu Asante regional governor 1 eye governor 1 chama untumi Asante region de chama untumi ayadwuma ni nyina ho na ye 47 to salute you chama untumi waje Kumasi adwuma ni nyina na central region won so na boka na Japan wase central region won nyina ma central region onum na ye fu nti say ye wie Kumasi ona ye 47 seat no mutaka no person ye takashi ba otwene mutai oboaso aso seat no ye beji ama MPP because afinu Kumasi ona ye 47 still for more for Nana to do more Nana do de me say o man Ghana nhia Nana do a na ko man Ghana kabadista Mahama baby Mahama de o man akoto no wo fa kura enye na wa hwe say Nana ma say education da so na Mahama otimitina ase aka say me ba besi mo akire de amamo how dare you hey still for more for Nana to do more me say otu abanama Nana do a automatically Nyankopon the 60 years asen ka onfion automatically 60 years e ka onfion say otu abanama Nana do a for more for Nana to do more planting for food and job no so koso one district one factory no so koso e confuse o mama me bianom e kama me say free education no so koso for more for Nana wate baby a osun ni gina na hwa na ne ba no su gina enti so to abanama Nana do a no wato aba no so ama ne MP fo no skatem braso de etwam na joma ama na kasa no